We're going to make a boat with the help of dots. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 orange dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 red dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 orange dots. Let's see purple dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And last one is 7. 7 purple dots. 1 yellow dot. 1, 2 white dots. Again 1, 2, 3 yellow dots. 1, 2, 3, 4 white dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 yellow dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 white dots. It's ready.